Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. This is Aicharan Malayala. You're watching Entertain Lifestyle live from Fort Kochi, Kochi. So this place is called Fort Kochi. We are here at St. Francis CSI Church. So this, what I heard is like this is the oldest church in whole Kerala. That's what I heard. If I'm wrong, like please mention in the comment section. Just see here, this monument has been declared to be national importance under the Ancient Monuments and Archaeological Sites and Remain Act 1958. So just see, so it's like monument of national importance, St. Francis Church. I guess most of you know Vasco da Gama. He is the Portuguese explorer, first European to reach India by sea. So he discovered India through seaway. So that's why, you know him, right? Like his grave is there in this particular St. Francis Church, it seems. We just went out. Nikhil Bhai told that there is one graveyard inside of Vasco da Gama. So just go and watch. So that actually Vasco da Gama died on 1524 AD, Christmas Eve. So at that time they have buried him there. It seems like that is the area they buried him. 14 years later, the remainings, what after the degradation of the body, like bones will be remained, right? So the bones were taken out and transferred to Portugal, it seems. So that's what happened. I learned a new thing after going inside. So that is the thing. So that's why it's not exact grave, but the place where they buried Vasco da Gama for 14 years. From St. Francis Church, if you just walk in this lane and take first left, that is Chinese fishnets. So we just bought something here like keychains and all those things for my friends, and we'll go inside the Chinese fishnets and explore. So here you can just see the ocean here, Samudram. There you can see that, right? That is petroleum refinery, it seems. Chinese fishnets. We are going to Chinese fishnets. So those are the Chinese fishnets, it seems. Like I don't know how they are going to do fishing and all, but this is how like fishing fishnets are here. And you can see there I can see the port. So container boat is there and unloading and everything is happening there. So these are Chinese fishnets. So evening 4 o'clock they will allow you till there, it seems. So that whole setup will be dropped into the water, it seems. And within 15 minutes or 10 to 15 minutes, when fishes will be collected in that and they will just pull it out. So that's how they do fishing, it seems here. So those are called Chinese fishing nets. So I just met one person here, like High on Life Nomad. So he's a solo traveler there. So he's going. And unfortunately I forgot to vlog when he was here. But yeah, just follow him on Instagram. Like he's making really nice videos. So presently he's working in IT sector as well as he's traveling around Kerala. So if you want to watch more beauty of Kerala, just follow him on Instagram. And he said that he's also started a YouTube channel. So maybe that link also you can find on his profile. So just go and watch his videos. High on Life Nomad. Navin bro, thank you. Really had a good conversation with you. What kind of shoot is happening here? Drug free zone anta Fort Kochi. So the yellow building yellow house which you are seeing, or building or house, whatever you are seeing, is Fort Kochi Hotel. Like I have seen this about this in Instagram. So that's why we just came here. Like here it's a picturesque place. Like we can click good pictures here. Jetty restaurant. Okay, how many days it will take to complete whole Kerala? 2 months. 2 months. Okay, great bro, all the best. You have any Instagram or something like that?
It's RBK Rider 03 Instagram and YouTube.
So you can just
ID,
go and search here.
Same logo.
Okay, RBK Rider 03.
Same logo.
Hi guys, guys. Okay. You see here. Let me just go return now. So this is Fort Grande Hotel on Central. Time is almost like 4:25 now. So Nikhil Bhai suggested us that this boating, like Blue Marine houseboat, something like that. So he's saying that this view will be very nice and all those things like Sachin's house, all those things will be shown here. Mangroves. Then lower what goes on ra. Easy mangroves. We are stopping here for copper kai. What is this? Coconut, tender coconut. Kerala bond. Just see the size of this. Whoa. Main city area.
मराइन ड्राइव है इधर भी 2 किलोमीटर ना मराइन ड्राइव है इधर क्या कर रहा है फ्रंट एरिया हेलीपैड एरिया है दुबई में इधर आएगा हेलीकॉप्टर में
So Lulu Mall owner house. Yusuf Ali.
लुलु मॉल का ओनर राइट साइड मलयालम एक्टर रेड वाला गिर मलयालम एक्टर जयसूर्या का गिर है राइट साइड रेड वाला ये वाला येलो उसका राइट
Okay.
यूसुफ अली का गूगल पे नंबर का
यूसुफ अली
गूगल पे नंबर
So this is Sachin Tendulkar's house.
सचिन आईएसएल टाइम आ गया
अच्छा
हाँ
Sachin Tendulkar house in Kochi. So ride was okay, fair enough. Good. It was good. If you want, you can also come to Blue Marine in Cochin. So now we'll be going to Lulu Mall and chill for some time, if possible do some shopping and then to hotel near the airport. Tomorrow we have the plane at afternoon 1:54. That means we should reach the airport by at least 11 o'clock. 11 o'clock to in between 11 to 12 we should reach the airport tomorrow. We are here at Lulu Mall. This is the entrance. We are in Lulu Mall, which is one of the biggest mall in India. I will buy something, at least like hoodie or t-shirt, so that like I can, it's kind of memory for this trip. Of course, I have a lot of memories, but that's kind of physical object, physical thing. Bowling time. Scoreboard is ready and Deep is going to throw the ball first. Chalo. First ball here and you can see Jasdeep, Teja, J Mama, Minnu, Meghana, Magnus sir, and last is mine Saicharan Malayala. It's a brand.
साइड बॉल है बीट कैसे हो रहा है
Round 1, my score is 7, highest is 10-10. By Lulu Mall. I have shown you the owner's house in the houseboat ride. Sorry, boat ride, right? So that is the owner's house, Yusuf Ali. He is from Dubai. So now we are going to get into our vehicle. So it is somewhere here in the parking area, outside. So as it is a height vehicle, like it's a traveler, right? So it's here parking is not sufficient for it. So that's why we are going now. Lulu Group International. So the same market is there, same mall is there in Thiruvananthapuram. So Marriott. I thought of buying something. I said like to keep aside as memory, but unfortunately I didn't find studio. So I didn't bought. कुछ हमारा फ्रेंड्स है तो आपका नंबर डालते हैं वीडियो के नीचे. सो वो आपको कॉल करेगा, बुक करेगा. ओके बाय बाय. थैंक यू. आप भी सेफ है जाओ.
फोटो व्हाट्सएप में
हाँ डालेंगे. हाँ वीडियो
बनाओ लिंक डाल.
हाँ ओके डन. देयर इज वन मोर AC also here. And let me just see. And of course, a mini bar. I don't think that there will be some drinks or something like that. So this is how the washroom is. Pretty good. So I booked this room also from booking.com. So all the rooms which I booked in this trip is from booking.com. So everything was good, but here and there in Akhil Classic in Tirunananthapuram, taxes was not mentioned in the app, but they collected the taxes. And here he is saying swimming pool timings is 4 to 9 in the evening. He is saying, but in the app it is not showing that it is not showing any timings. But we asked him to arrange us the swimming pool tomorrow morning at least for 1 hour. Tomorrow 1 hour will take the swimming pool at any cost. Let's see. Let me just change into shorts and be ready, sleep for some time and enjoy. So just now I went into reception and there is one person sitting there. I asked him that I just want to use the swimming pool for 1 hour. So he just called his manager and asked. His manager accepted it. He said like 1 hour they will allow us. Yeah, that's what we did. Anyhow, the time is now 7:10 something. So we'll be in swimming pool till 8:10 and come out, eat something and just pack our luggage, book a taxi and just go to airport. Here is the swimming pool. Let me call the other people. They are sleeping nicely, but this is very nice. Good experience. Even though swimming pool is small, but really enjoying it. Live. This is final day of our trip. Today we have flight at 1:54 from Cochin International Airport. So from here it is just 2 kilometers. So that's why we booked this hotel. Don't worry, this depth is very low, not an issue. After coming from swimming pool, I just freshed up and now I am going down to the first floor. In our booking, breakfast is included, so we can just have it here. Now I'm going to first floor. So everyone will gather and we'll go at once. Watermelon, coffee or tea, something like that. Bread jam, and here is appam. And idli, sambar, and one curry. I don't know that breakfast is just beside my room. I went down till reception. They are saying it is in the 3rd floor 405. My room is 406, just beside that. So I tried idiyappam in Chennai. It was okay, but this is appam. In Telugu we call it as attu. It's a kind of dosa. This is same like that. Rice flour, I guess, rice flour. Now the time is exactly 10 o'clock. We need to complete the web check-in. So web check-in exactly starts 72 hours prior to flight departure. So it will closes 1 hour before that. So we have time now. We are doing the web check-in. So once we are done with this, we are good to go. We can just take the e-ticket down, print out and go there and collect our boarding pass and just be there. I wanted to go to the lounge actually. I have a access. So this is what I am doing now, completing the web check-in. So just I'm going to check out this room here at Golden Terminal Treeboat Trent, Kochi. So this will be the end of this vlog from Kochi. Next vlog I'll be getting into the flight for the first time. So I'll be sharing my experiences and I'll show you each and everything there in the airport. So what we are going to do and everything. So that's the end of this vlog. If you guys love this video, do like, share and subscribe to NITN Lifestyle for more videos. Chalo then guys, bye bye. So this is the first time experience for almost everyone for the flight. So I'm really excited now. I mean something new. Let me show you my expressions while taking off and landing. I'll record everything, whatever possible. I'll record all of them.